Hello guys. So this time around we are considering questions on mappings and functions, and the subtopic under mappings and functions we are considering today is composite functions. What are composite functions? These are functions that are contained inside another function, or functions that are taken wholesale and plugged into another function. All right. So number one question says if f of x equals 3x plus 2 and g of x equals x squared minus 2x, we are asked to find f of g and then g of f. F of g, what does it mean? It means we take the entire g, the g function that has been given, then we plug it inside of f. All right. So I'm first of all going to be right. So f of g equals, I'll first of all write f. Okay. Let me write f 3x plus 2. All right. So that is my f. So it means I will now take g and plug it inside the f function. All right. So that means whenever I see x inside of f, I'm going to be putting the entire g there. So it's going to become 3. Whenever I see x, I'm just going to put g. So x squared minus 2x, that is g. All right. Plus this 2 here. Okay. So that is f of g. So the next thing is just to simplify the expression, open the bracket and all of that. 3 times x squared is 3x squared minus 3 times 2x. That's going to be 6x. Then plus 2. And that is f of g. Simple. All right. And then question number B, we are asked to find g of f. G of f is the same procedure. We just take the entire f function and plug it inside of g function. All right. So I first of all write g first of all. So g, okay. What's my g? G is x squared minus 2x. All right. So whenever I see x inside of the g function, all of these x positions, I'm going to be putting the entire um, um, f inside of it. Okay. So becomes something like this: x squared, I'm going to be putting f function inside of it, and that's going to be 3x plus 2 all squared minus 2. Again, I'm going to be putting f function inside of it. Okay, we're going to be what? 3x plus 2. Okay, what do I have? If I open this bracket, I'll double this, I'll square this. That's going to give me 9x squared. Then I'll double their product. The product is 2 times 3, which is going to be 6x. Double that, that's going to be 12x. Then I'm going to be doubling this. I'm going to be squaring this. It's going to be 4. All right. Then minus, open this bracket with this 2. 2 times 3x, that's going to be 6x. Plus minus times plus is minus. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay. So I'll just simplify. First of all, plus 4 is going to cancel minus 4. Okay, and I'm left with 9x squared plus 12x minus 6. 12x minus 6, that's going to be plus 6x. I'm having 9x squared plus 6x, and that's my g of f. Again, what I did was just take the entire function of f and dunk it inside of a g function. Okay, so in the g function, whenever I see x there, I'm going to put in f, and that's what I did. In the g function, whenever I see x, I put f. The same thing I did here. F of g, whenever I see in the f function, I'm going to be putting the entire g inside of it. Okay, so stick around for more questions on composite functions. Thank you very much, guys.